All right, so question 98. Hold on, I want to make sure that we can get to that. Okay, and we can't. I guess I'm going to have to do it from here. All right, so question 98. Mr. Garcia needs to cut short pieces out of a 6-foot long board to use as spacers in the wall of his new house. The pieces he needs for spacers must be 9 inches long. Without using your calculator, how would you determine how many such spacers he can cut from Garcia's board? All right, so let's just think about what we got going on here. So we've got this board that is 16 feet long. All right, and we need to find out how many 9-inch sections we can get out of here. So I guess my first thing that I would do is, this is in inches, this is in feet, so we got to turn this over into inches. So let's see, I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot, so I could go 12 inches plus 12 inches plus 12 inches plus 12 inches and do that 16 times. I think a little bit faster way is going to, instead of adding up 12, 16 times, we could just do 16 times 12. And let's see, that gives me 12, carry a 1, that's a 3, placeholder. 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 1 is 1. So now I have 2, 9, oh, that's a 2, 9, 1. So I have 192 inches, all right? So I'm going to think about this as 16 feet, but also it is 192 inches. There we go. All right, so how many 9-inch pieces are in here? So I need to chop this up into equal pieces that are 9 inches each. So anytime I want to chop something up into equal pieces, well, that's always a division problem. So what I'm going to need to do, and I wish I had some, I guess I could do this. I can erase this, give myself a little bit more working room here. All right, so I can do this. I want to take my 192-inch board, and I want to see how many 9-inch pieces are here. So we're going to take this and find out and cut it up equally into 9-inch pieces. So it's a division problem because I'm cutting them up in equal pieces. All right, so let's see. 9 goes into 19 twice, so that would be an 18. I subtract and get a 1. Drop down my 2. 9 goes into 12 once. That's 9, and I have 3 left over. So what I'm going to do is my remainder becomes my brand new top. The bottom comes from always outside. If you don't know that, you got to write a note to yourself to remember what to do with this remainder. So the remainder is always the top number. The bottom number comes from what's outside here. And then this can be reduced down to 21 1/3. So I know in this 16-foot board, there are 21 1/3 of these 9 sections. So I can do 9-inch, 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 and I can get all the way to 21 of those. And then I'll have a little bit left over that's not quite big enough to get 22. So how many of these pieces, how many 9-inch pieces can I get out of there? Exactly 21, and then I will have some left over. All right, hopefully that helps question 98.